Welcome to Full Course Online. In this video, we will explore Microsoft Edge on Windows 11. Step by step, I'll show you how to install, set up, and use Edge. Installing Edge. Microsoft Edge is the default browser that comes with Windows 11. It is built on the Chromium engine, the same base used by Google Chrome, which makes it fast and compatible with most websites. If you don't have it, you can download it again from the Microsoft Store. Simply search for Microsoft Edge, click Install, and wait for it to complete. Once installed, you can open it from the Start menu or taskbar. Start page layout. The Start page, also called the New Tab page, is the first screen you see when you open Edge. It gives you quick access to a search bar, shortcuts to websites, and news updates. You can customize this page by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner. Layout options include focus for a clean look, inspirational with background images, or informational with a detailed news feed. Choosing the right layout helps you personalize how you start browsing every day. Search in Edge. The address bar at the top doubles as a search bar. By default, searches are powered by Bing. To change the search engine, click the three-dot menu, open Settings, and go to Privacy, Search, and Services. Then Search and Connected Experiences. Select Address and Search bar. Bing is already selected. You can see other search engines such as Yahoo, Google, DuckDuckGo, and Yandex. This flexibility ensures you can search the web using the service you're most comfortable with. Browser controls. Browser controls are the basic buttons you use to navigate the Internet. On the top left, you'll find the back, forward, and refresh icons. The Home button, if enabled, takes you straight to your chosen homepage. You can customize which buttons appear in the toolbar under Settings. Appearance. Scroll down to Toolbar section. You can change setting for each button on the toolbar. Edge tabs. Tabs allow you to open multiple websites in the same window. Each new page you visit opens in a tab at the top. You can create a new tab by clicking the plus icon or a keyboard shortcut Ctrl+T. Close one with Ctrl+W. And reopen the last closed tab with Ctrl+Shift+T. You may close the tab using mouse by clicking the Close button at the tab corner. Right-clicking on a tab gives you extra options like pinning, duplicating, or moving it into a new window. Quick links. Quick links are shortcuts that appear on the Start page, letting you jump straight to your favorite websites. They save you time by keeping commonly visited pages one click away. To add a quick link, click the plus button on the Start page. Enter the name. And then URL. Click Add button. And there is Yahoo, quick link added. Favorites. Favorites, also called bookmarks, help you save and organize websites you want to return to. To add a favorite, click the star icon in the address bar. You can give it a name and choose a folder. The Favorites bar keeps your saved sites visible at all times. Over time, organizing your favorites into folders will help you keep your browsing neat and efficient. InPrivate window. InPrivate browsing is Edge's private mode. Open InPrivate browsing by click three dots at the top right side and select New InPrivate browsing window. This will open a new Edge window. You also open an InPrivate window with Ctrl+Shift+N. When you use InPrivate window, your browsing history, cookies, and search activity are not saved. This is helpful when you're using a shared computer or don't want your activity tracked. While it increases privacy locally, remember that websites and internet providers may still see your activity. Edge menu. The Edge menu, opened by clicking the three dots in the top right corner. It is the central place for browser settings and tools. From here, you can access history, downloads, extensions, and print options. You can also open settings to personalize your browsing experience further. Think of it as the control center for everything Edge can do. Personalizing Edge. Personalization allows you to make Edge look and feel the way you want. In Settings under Appearance, you can switch between light, dark, or custom themes. You can also install themes from the Microsoft Edge add-on store, including colorful or artistic backgrounds. A theme can make browsing more enjoyable and reduce eye strain depending on your preference. To change the font, size, and format, scroll down to Fonts. To turn off or turn on Copilot, click on the Copilot. Add browser controls. In the Appearance settings, you can choose which browser buttons to display on the toolbar. For example, you might want quick access to history, downloads, or the Home button. Adding or removing these controls allows you to streamline your browser interface so only the most important tools are in front of you. Extensions. Extensions are small add-ons that bring extra features to Edge. These can block ads, manage passwords, or even translate text. To find them, click the puzzle icon on the toolbar or go to the Edge menu and select Extensions and then Manage Extensions. Then click Get Extensions for Microsoft Edge to browse the store. Let me add OneNote Web Clipper. Select it and click Add Extension. After the installation, you may want to pin the extension to be visible every time. Click the puzzle icon and click the pin icon. Adding the right extensions can make your browsing faster, safer, and more productive. That's the complete step-by-step guide to Microsoft Edge in Windows 11. We covered installing, searching, tabs, favorites, privacy, themes, and extensions. If you found this useful, please like the video. Subscribe to Full Course Online for more tutorials. See you in the next video.